Mga ka-Nose, musta? I'm Drinking Nose, your Ilonggo vlogger and content creator. Gina-invite ta ka mo para mag-join ka mag-register sa biggest and grandest running event diri sa syudad sang Iloilo, ang Mayor Jerry P. Treñas Iloilo Marathon Dinagyang Hala Bira 2025. Damo pa sila slots for 5 kilometers. Para sa mga new runners like me, don't be afraid of the distance. Just enjoy the process and claim it. And push forward until the finish line. Kaya secure your spots until December 15. May chance pa kamo magdaog sang Adidas Adios Pro 3. Available for online registration and on-site registration from Adidas Festival Mall, Iloilo and Adidas Robinson's Place, Iloilo. Pero kung gusto mo extra challenge, available sila for limited slots only for 10 kilometers, 21 kilometers, and 42 kilometers. Dali na, kaghagada na ang family, friends, or loved ones, and don't miss this chance to run with the Ilonggos on January 19, 2025 as we celebrate and enjoy the experience of Iloilo's vibrant culture. Once again, this is Drinking Nose, kaya kita-kits sa Iloilo Marathon Dinagyang Hala Bira.